Hello and welcome to Jile, an enterprise agile planning and delivery platform, enabling organizations to adopt agile, scale and transform into innovative digital enterprises. Embracing agile software delivery is an evolutionary journey, where small co-located teams start by adopting agile, then scale these practices across multiple distributed teams and finally, transform into an agile enterprise. Jile supports this evolutionary transformation process by supporting multiple ways of working and enabling teams to adopt agile, scale and transform. Our patent-applied meta model will enable enterprises to plan better, configure work areas based on organizational structure, define entities and customize terminologies to suit their team needs. Jile provides configurable apps catalog that can be used by the teams to add any app or capability and reports based on their team and organizational needs. Jile provides 6 pre-configured WOW templates that are available out of the box, including Scrum, Kanban, Enterprise Scaling Framework, Disciplined Agile, DA, Large Scale Scrum, LESS, Agile Portfolio. Each of these ways are pre-configured and can be customized based on the organizational needs. Let us take an example of a global bank enterprise that has chosen the Scrum framework for Scrum teams working on specific programs or projects. The Scrum teams use the vision board in Jile to detail out the vision of the product that they are building. Teams can define epics or product features and prioritize them based on business needs. Epics board view will help stakeholders to see the progress of epics or features from one status to another in a visual board format. The epics can be broken down into stories and stories can be further broken down into tasks that can be viewed on a Scrum board as the sprint progresses. These stories that can be planned into different sprints during sprint planning. Teams can track the sprint progress through burn-down charts and CFDs on a sprint dashboard. No sprint is complete without a retrospection. Sprint retrospective will allow the teams to retrospect on what went well, what can be improved and decide on any action items for the upcoming sprints. As the enterprise scales up across multiple teams working for products, it needs to adopt enterprise agile frameworks that suit its organizational structure and needs. Jile provides the perfect combination of such frameworks that can be adopted through pre-configured templates which are completely customizable. So far you have seen how one Scrum team can manage their work in Jile. Now you will see how Jile can help scale up your enterprise and manage products or programs having multiple teams to attain true agility. Let us take Enterprise Scaling Framework as an example that Global Bank wants to adopt. This enterprise has a portfolio called Retail Banking having multiple programs or agile release trains under it. One such program or product is Core Banking that has multiple Scrum and Kanban teams working under it. The product teams can define product's vision using Vision Board. Scrum and Kanban teams can define program backlog and program Kanban. The features in the backlog are prioritized using customizable WSJF rank calculator. These features are planned into releases during release planning. The features are further broken down into stories and planned into specific iterations or sprints of the release. The teams can also track the progress of each sprint through burn-down charts, CFDs and so on. As the release progresses, the teams can track through burn-down charts and CFDs on a release dashboard that will help the teams to take necessary actions. No release is complete without a retrospective that will help the teams to analyze what went well, what can be improved, and to decide on the action items for the upcoming releases. True potential of Agile cannot be realized without automation. Jile smoothens the release deployment process by providing out-of-box plugins to popular automation tools. This pipeline can be either manually triggered or scheduled. Pipeline View helps to track the progress of the deployment process, along with execution reports. In addition to the charts provided at the release level, Jile also churns out on-the-fly reports for all artifacts in charts and tabular format. Users can play around with data through pivots and create their own customized reports. Global Bank is a large enterprise, with multiple portfolios. One such portfolio is retail banking. These portfolios in turn are comprised of multiple value streams and products, such as core banking, loan origination, credit scoring, and so on. Global Bank uses Jile to detail out the portfolio strategy using the business model vision canvas board and further derive objectives. Jile also allows the business to define metrics for each objective and track its progress until closure. Initiative or epics, which are high-level business requirements, are identified and elaborated as lightweight business cases. This forms the portfolio backlog. The next step would be to identify features under epics as part of the product backlog. These features are broken down into smaller work items called stories, which are assigned to teams for development. The features are planned into defined release schedules during the release planning. In Jile, the business stakeholders can track the progress of all the release schedules using the release dashboard. In this way, Jile allows enterprises to scale up across multiple teams, products, and portfolios. Jile also offers lean portfolio budget functionality in which budgets can be allocated for the strategic initiatives or business epics under each portfolio. Jile helps you track the allocated, available, and consumed budgets for the epics. This will help the portfolio owners and key stakeholders to track the budget consumption. So once you provide cost code, which is user rate per hour in the system, the user logs in effort in hours against the task and test for each user story, which is derived from a feature which is part of a larger strategic initiative. The cumulative effort for all the user stories will roll up to the strategic initiative or project level to show the budget consumed. Jile enables the real-time view of allocated versus consumed budget as on date for a particular strategic initiative or project. Jile also enables you to create customizable portfolio dashboards to track the progress of strategic initiatives or projects. You can create public or private dashboards with real-time data points. Here in Sample Portfolio Performance Dashboard, one can see the key performance indicators in terms of bar charts, pie charts, and tabular format. One can simply go ahead and configure the dashboard and add more tiles from the tiles repository as per the status view one is looking for. So that's how customizable portfolio dashboards can be created and saved. You could see for yourself how Jile can help enterprises start small with Agile adoption by Scrum teams and then eventually scale up across multiple teams to attain true agility. Sign up for a free trial today to experience Jile on the cloud. All you need is a device with internet connectivity. Thanks for watching.